Hey everybody, Mike Whiteside again on my weekly or bi-weekly daily dog, and I'm at the shop today working on a quick project that I started yesterday afternoon, and it's Saturday, so we're here to meet people and sell them stuff and build stuff for them. But I want to show you a few projects I got going on right now. One of them is a little coffee table. I sold the legs out from under this coffee table, so I had to build some more legs. And this is I'm going to show you right now. This is well, I'm using Rust-Oleum, obviously. Hey, this is Molly Mae. Hey, Mae. Yeah, she's a sweet girl, that girl. Anyway, this was part of a retort basket. And these were baskets that were used in the canning industry. We had about 40 of them at one time, and down to my last 3 or 4. But I made a table base for a coffee table, just using pieces of it. And this is a piece of old Egyptian iron, and I'm just getting ready to start clear coating it. And as you can see, the difference between coated and uncoated is pretty dramatic. One way you seal it up, I love the rust. And rust is Mother Nature's patina, you know. And as long as it's not going inside, I just leave it alone because it's maintenance free. But if it's going inside, you like to seal it. If it's a headboard or a gate, or for this particular project, it's a coffee table. And you want to put a clear coat on it just to protect everything. Rust doesn't get up on your clothes or your rug or anything. So that's the base. This is the top, and this is a cool walnut piece that the guys put together. And it's just got a lot of cool features in it. You can see the kind of the flame, and it's got some cracks that they filled with resin. And this is a cool piece. It's about 20 something by 48. And I got to make another one that's 30 by 48. So this one is going to go on the new base that we're just making. And I started this thing yesterday about, I guess, 4 o'clock, and I took off at 5 and then came back. So I got about 2 hours in it, and it's a cool project. Now, this is the first time I've got to use the new Miller welder that we got, and this is the Millermatic 255. And this is a awesome machine. You can change the thickness. This is for obviously for technical welding, and also, you know, guerrilla welding like me. You can set the thickness of the metal. It sets the voltage and the wire feed speed, and it's just a beautiful machine. And Miller and Arc 3 Gases in collaboration have let us use these machines, and they're beautiful. I love Miller blue. It's almost like I call it a Carolina blue. You know, I'm an old Carolina boy, so Carolina blue really kind of is in my blood. But this machine is if you guys are in the market for anything like this, it is, quote, idiot proof. It's got pulse, and there's a lot more in here going on than I can possibly fathom. You know, for anybody who does good welding, they know what that is. I'm a guerrilla welder. Sometimes I'm a grinder, but you know, I can make metal stick together just because I know how to do that at least. Here's another project we're doing for some friends of ours, some good customers of ours up in Northern Virginia. This is a rocking chair, and these are going to go out in a pavilion. We got 6 of them coming out, and this is the prototype. And we got started on there. We got Ipe. Now Ipe is a tropical hardwood, sustainable hardwood that we can get from suppliers that harvest it and cultivate it, and it's a good one. We like using tropical hardwood just because it's you know, it's rich, it's good for outside, it's got a lot of natural oils in it. Walked up on Jeff. There's another project here we're doing for one of our customers. This is a headboard. All right, nice chestnut paneling, pre-Blythe chestnut paneling. These are beams from. Oh, there you go, Jeff. These are beams from the old Washington Mill factory we did a long time ago, probably 8 years ago, down in Maiden, North Carolina. And it's beautiful wood. Look at this. Look how tight that grain is. Octagon shape. These are the supports for the mill. Walking through a few more pieces here. I'm going to end up with what's his name over there? What's your name? Parker. Y'all seen Parker? Yeah, you can call me Bob. Yeah, don't call me Al. They got a couple tables going on here. This is a beautiful one. This is kind of a simple base. Well, it's not a simple base either. That's another metal base. We got a dog barking. This is a bench we're doing for these folks. Gorgeous wood. I think it's poplar. And this is one that Zach was working on yesterday. And there's Stella. Come on over here, Stella, and say hi. Hey. Y'all are getting the dog treatment today. So this is another bed we did for a good friend of ours up the road. And this is, you might have seen it on another, let me get this nice DeWalt sander out of the way. This is the headboard. And this guy is made with beadboard from Porches, single bead. And Parker, he made one of them earlier for us. Now he's putting one on we're gonna put this one on the floor and for sale. And it's gonna have one of the new Wyndham mattresses that we are starting to carry. And these mattresses are from from Wyndham Mattress Company over in Richmond, Virginia. They build them, hand build them in a old schoolhouse over there, and they are comfortable. I got one for my bed, and it sleeps incredible. And we got those over in the Stone House. If you're so inclined to come and rent with us, they sleep awesome, guys. This is the footboard, and then we'll have some side rails that go with it. But it's going to be a really cool project, and we're going to start building these hopefully. But they're custom built. It's all oak framing, and hopefully Parker's going to have that thing done today, and we'll have it up on the market floor tomorrow or Monday. So anyway, I wanted to give you a quick tour. It's not so quick maybe, but I'm a little overdue with showing you guys some stuff. I'm going to show you another real quick base that we got from Circle Loft. These guys are just incredible. Bar height, you can put anything you want on top of it. So I'm kind of showing you stuff we're doing, selling at the same time. So y'all be good to yourself. Miss ya. Come see us. Leave some comments, share, like, subscribe maybe, whatever you do on YouTube and Facebook and all that stuff. Be good to yourself again. Make somebody happy. Make somebody smile if you can. Better than making them cry, hopefully. All right? See you guys next time we go around.